this is my
Papa
father,
Ron.
Papa Ron.
So guys, we're opening again a new Xiaomi product. Ta-da-da.
It's
Do you know what's this, I think?
MAI.
Yes.
It's like for the car if there's emergency something.
This Dashcam from Xiaomi products. So we will be unboxing this. So are you ready? So
Yeah.
before we unbox this, okay? Please
Like and subscribe. Okay,
So guys, well, we are opening the box. So if you want to check all the Xiaomi products that we are
it'll go
doing,
in this link here, right here,
check
down
link below.
down below here.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm gonna open it up.
So this is the dashcam. This is a budget-friendly dashcam from Xiaomi again, guys. So we're excited to open this and put this in our our Geely Coolray.
Blue car.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna open it up.
Okay. Open up, ating. Let's see. So inside the box is
also this
first,
one.
yeah,
It's like here.
yeah.
And
Then
it just ooh, this is
so
the
this
booklet.
the booklet or the manual. Ta-da-da.
There it is.
And there's the camera, guys.
There it is. See?
Ta-da-da. Oh,
So-
so it's well compact package. There you go.
And so the same here.
Yeah. So
What's
inside the
this?
box is the
I think so, guys. This is a cord for the this one.
inside the box is the main dashcam. So this is the design, guys, of the dashcam. So that's it. So next step is we will try to install it in the car and how to use it. The complete details there, guys. So check it out. Okay, te? You ready?
Yeah.
See you there. So hi guys, we're going to install now our dashcam. So here's the parts here. Side now our Geely Coolray Comfort. So if you know the variants of the Geely Coolray, it has 3 variants: the Comfort, the Premium, and Sport. So this car is Comfort, so no added feature, no front camera. So what we'll do now is to add dashcam on top here. We'll place it here and we'll place it under the cable here, this part here. So that one, guys, we'll place it there, the power, and from under we'll place the wire going here and there till the side, and this rubber part, the switch here going there, and that's it. Okay, so let's do this step by step, guys. Power the dashcam of the Xiaomi 70mai Dashcam 1S. So let's place it here, guys. Let's see. Okay, there you go. So need to push this one, guys, here, the wire. Okay, it's done. It's more clean to see. Next step. So next step, guys, is oops, I did it. Okay, that's it. Next is place it underneath here. There you go. Continue to put under, guys, and we're good to go. And now the camera. So we'll be placing the camera here, guys. Tissue to clean first the area. Is it here now? target. I think that's it, guys. So come now is place. Hope I place it right. So let's see later during the testing of the video. Now it's time to place the power cable of the 70mi. There we go, guys. So our plan is to place it under here to make it look clean. So it's easy in the Geely Coolray, guys. So in Geely Coolray, it's easy. You just place it under. It's simple. So if you can remember, guys, a while ago, so I place first the wire. Place the wire first in the underneath the power cable going. Then next, the second step is in here the dashcam. So my plan is to do the final touching in the middle part, or underneath the front chair in the middle. Okay, that's it, guys. So, try to push it. So from other advice from them is to remove this one, guys, but for me, no need. So it's just so easy to place it under. Just use some DIY like mine to help push inside the wire. It's already underneath. Alright, everything looks good. So next is we'll do is to pull this rubber a little bit, guys, and we just have to place it under. So we just need to put this on the rubber part, guys. So no need to remove. So in my part, there's no need to remove this. Place it under the rubber inside the car. So go down. Alright, so like you can see, it's all good. It's like there's no wire. Right, let's continue until down. So this is it, guys. So we're almost done. So like I said before, I want to finalize everything here in the middle part. So first up, I place it in the power area for the dashcam, the Xiaomi. The next in the middle part, I mean where the dashcam located, then going to the last area in the middle. So I place it underneath the rubber. So we need to just slowly place it under, guys, as you can see. So it's already in. Final touches. Just open this area here. Do some final retouch. Side. Okay. Just do some on it. Clean. So that's how I install my dashcam without removing something in the car. So this is a good thing in Coolray, Geely Coolray. You just place it underneath the rubber and everything looks okay. Everything looks good. So next is to turn on the camera, the dashcam, and try to test it if it works, and install the app of the 70mai. Try to record and to test if everything looks okay, it works well, and that's it. So let's do it. Alright guys, so it's already turned on. As you can see, it's color green, so everything looks good. Now let's check the camera, guys. So this is the app mesh, the 70mai, so you can download in the Play Store or you can use the code in the manual. So let's see, it's working. So it says here device connected. The device does not support power button or voice control, so I'm visiting it. So there it is, guys.
Whoa.
So it starts recording now at the night.
So how does it
So
work?
if I turn on the main light, so that's it. So clear. Okay guys, so that's it for now. I'm using the 70mi. So hi guys, so we're testing the dashcam, the Xiaomi 70mai. I don't know how to read it, but so it's the 1S model. So the good thing about this, guys, is it has a voice command. It also very fast to connect in your cell phone. So as you can see a while ago in the video, guys, I connected in my via phone the app, the 70mai app. So you can download it in Google Play Store. Okay, so let's try to do some recording, like emergency record or take picture, to see if it will work, the voice command. So let's try. So if you say if you want to record a video,
Start recording emergency video.
so that's it. It will start recording the video. It is emergency video. While it is recording, it will also record another video. It calls emergency. So it will create another folder, so you can directly see it there and get it anywhere, guys. So that's it. So next is you need to take picture.
Capture is completed.
So you can hear it, guys. So it capture. So it will create another folder na sad. Dito ibutang yung mga picture. So you say record video.
Start recording emergency video.
So it will start record na sad emergency video. So muna siya, guys, sa voice command. So later atong ipakita sa ninyo unsa ni siya kanindot ang iyang 1080p. Gibahambog ni siya na 1080p daw. So later we'll see the SD card kung 1080 jud yung quality sa video. And test out. So again, this
Recording completed.
dashcam kay gi-install ni sa among Geely Coolray Comfort. So if you are familiar with the Geely Coolray, na siya itulog ka variants, comfort, premium, and sport. So sa comfort comfort, okay, wala ni siya front camera, so kailangan ming ubahay jud in case of emergency na simbang ko taon. So so again, this is a very budget friendly dashcam, guys. So far I think it's worth it compared sa other na malon na dashcam. So that's it, guys, for now. So later I will show you night video na sa ta later, gabi. So let's try kung tinaw gyapon is clear gyapon ba, is good, still good ba. That's a big question mark. So let's see later tonight the quality of the video of this dashcam. See you later.